Namaste everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Dr. Abhishek Kumar. Today we are going to learn about the clinical anatomy of uterus, colpotophy or colporrhaphy. Posterior colpotophy is done to drain the pus from the pouch of Douglas. Pouch of Douglas is also called as rectouterine pouch. You can see here. Colpotophy is a type of incision that is made in the back of the vagina during the tubal ligation. Now come to the intrauterine device. Intrauterine device is also called as coil. Is a small, often T-shaped. Here you can see the T-shaped. Okay, it is a T-shaped birth control. It is a birth control device that is inserted into the uterus. Here it is inserted into the uterus to prevent the pregnancy. Okay, now come to the formation of fibroids. Uterus is a common site of formation of the fibroids. You can see here on the pictures. Fibroids are non-cancerous growth in the uterus. It's a non-cancerous growth in the uterus that can develop during the woman's childbearing years. Damage to perineal body often lead to prolapse of uterus and other pelvic organ. Here in the diagram you can see the perineal body is one of the chief support of the pelvic organ. Thank you. Please do like, subscribe our channel.